Alright, in today's fun and exciting video, what we're going to be talking about is getting the equation, getting y equals mx plus b, the equation of a line, from the following information, from the slope and a point. So we're getting y equals mx plus b from the slope and the point. That's the name of the game in today's video. Now, when you want y equals mx plus b, what two things do you really require from the equation to be able to state the equation? Well, you require the slope. I'm going to put the slope in red. That's m. X is the independent variable. And you need, last but certainly not least, b, which is the y-intercept. So this is the y-intercept. And m is the slope. You need both of these quantities. The great thing about today's lesson is that the slope is already given to you. So in a problem, I will present you with the slope, meaning that m is already determined. This is already determined. All you need to do is find the y-intercept, b. Now what are the steps? I'll let you know right now. Step 1. What you're going to do is you're going to plug in m, x, and y into the equation. So x and y, guys, are the coordinates of the point. So I might give you a coordinate, I might give you a point P, so this is a random point, and the point will have a coordinate x and a coordinate y. This could be any number, and that could be any number. So I'll give you those two coordinates. Along with the m, what you do is you plug in all that information. Okay, and step 2, guys, step 2 is you're going to solve for the only letter you need remaining, and that's b. You're going to solve for b, for the y-intercept. Okay, so the last step is solve for the y-intercept and write the equation. That's it. It's that easy. Whoops. What we're going to do now is we're going to do an example using these steps. This is the exciting part. Example. Here we go. Determine the equation. The equation of the line with a slope m equals 1 over 2 that passes through a point A, which has coordinates, let's say 2, -3. How's that? So we want to find the equation of the line y equals mx plus b with a slope m equals 1/2 that passes through a 2, -3. So what's given here? M is given in this problem. Okay, m is 1 over 2. What's x? X is 2. It's the first coordinate of point A. And y is the y coordinate of point A, which is -3. Okay, all this information was given readily. There's m, A gives me x, and it also gives me y. That's it. And now all I have to do is plug in the information. Remember, y equals mx plus b. So the y coordinate, -3, goes where y is supposed to go. The 2, which is the x, is going where x is supposed to go, and m is supposed to go where m is supposed to go. So here we go. -3 times or equals 1/2 times 2 plus b. Now all I have left is one letter, and I have to solve for m. Or sorry, b. this has a denominator of 1. And I can multiply these fractions across. So I multiply the numerator and the denominator, and I end up getting 2 over 2. Now, 2 over 2 can be reduced to 1. And then if I move 1 over, what I will end up getting is -3 minus 1, which is b. Now, what does that leave for the value of b? Well, b is just going to be -4. So now I have m. Okay, so I'm just going to raise this up a bit. I've got m, and now I have y-intercept. So all I have to do is state the equation. Y equals 1 over 2x, and it's -4 because of this y-intercept right there. Okay, and there you go. That is how to determine the equation of a line, y equals mx plus b, if you were given the slope and a point. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Math with Marty loves you. Peace out. Bye-bye.